As pressure is mounting on Russia's troops over Dnieper River, it seems like a retreat is in the forecast. Whether Russia will retreat or stay and fight, they desperately need a crossway over to ensure a steady flow of resources, as logistical supply over is hurting badly. Ukraine has closed in on Russia's troops and keeps the pressure high, both pushing Russia back as well as cutting the crossway over the river. As Antonovsky Bridge has been relentlessly attacked the last month, the crossway is so heavily damaged it seems Russia has given up on repairing the bridge. Russia has however not given up on their Pontoon bridge, made by barges just underneath Antonovsky Bridge. Creating a fixed structure allows much greater resources to be transported over than ferries. Russia also needs this fixed crosspoint, either to stay and fight or make a quicker withdrawal. Otherwise, if Russian troops needs to retreat, it could possibly result in large donation of equipment to the Ukrainian army if not done right. While creating a pontoon bridge may seem as a logical point, having the Antonovsky Bridge work as a shield over, it can however easily be attacked by GMLRS rockets that have the range and precision to hit the barges. Russia, who started building the pontoon bridge over 2 months ago, made quick progress in the beginning, but was stricken a few times, sending them back. As Ukraine had easy targeting possibilities and the Russian SAM system having too low interception rate, the periodic attacks should be an indication the pontoon bridge was too hard to defend. And after a larger attack, it seems Russia disassembled the pontoon bridge as they removed many barges. However, it appeared they just replaced the damaged barges with new ones. Now Russia has basically finished the bar bridge, creating a fixed crossway over. But a few days ago, Ukraine launched GMLRS rocket at the bridge. Possibly as little as one rocket, hitting and sinking one barge, making the whole bridge unusable until they could replace the section. The sensitive barges that could sink with as little as one rocket becomes too easy of a target, with the only defense being if the GMLRS hit the Antonovsky Bridge, the river, or the low interception rate of Russia's SAM system. But even if GMLRS rocket hit the side of Antonovsky Bridge, it could be that the blast is still destructive enough to destroy the barge underneath, as other attacks on Antonovsky Bridge hitting the ground under, creating a crater, indicates this. Ukraine seems to limit the targeting of the pontoon bridge, shooting often during the night to minimize civilian casualties, as Russia places the ferries just next to the pontoon bridge. While Ukraine has taunted Russia by constantly hitting the bridge just before or after being finished, Ukraine may let the pontoon bridge stay open if they want to see Russian troops retreat over using this bridge. As colder months follows, Ukraine most likely want to take the section over the Dnieper River before this year ends. While Russia started to reinforce this section massively with some of their best soldiers and resources back when Ukraine was talking about a counteroffensive, Russia is now talking more and more about relocation and retreat, replacing some troops and resources behind the Dnieper River. As the Ukrainian army wants to retake Kherson, they also ensure Russian troops are being occupied with a disadvantage by closing the pontoon bridge. But as the recent attacks only sinking one barge indicates Ukraine has not determined if they want to let Russian troops retreat over or if they should attack and collapse the bridge. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.